Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Becky Lee of Becky Lee Soul Alchemy, and today I'm going to share 4 powerful ways to better connect with your higher self. That divine, intuitive part of you that always knows the way. So let's dive in. I know this might sound daunting because we're all trying all the time, but trust me, you can do it. So the first big one is stillness and meditation. We are in such a hustle and bustle world. We forget to have those quiet times to connect to ourselves. Your higher self speaks in whispers, not noise. So when we can quiet the noise through the meditation and the stillness, even 5 minutes of quiet each day, it gives your higher self that space to communicate with you. And it's going to come online very, very quiet. But as you connect to it more and more, it will be louder than the other noise coming through. So eyes closed, hand on heart, focus on your breath. This can create space and clarity for your guidance to flow in. And this is how we connect to that intuitive knowing, that higher self. So just take a minute and take a couple deep breaths with your hands over your heart and set the intention to open the doors to connect more easily to your higher self. Number 2, asking it questions. Ask the powerful questions, because it's like a game within yourself. Ask yourself the questions and stop seeking outside. And yes, it's okay to find videos like this to practice to, but your knowing is your knowing. It's nobody else's. So ask yourself things like, what does my soul want me to know? Then journal whatever comes through. Automatic writing and journaling is super powerful because you'll get in that flow state and the answers will start to come through. Allow what is coming through without judgment. Trust your higher self. It always responds when you invite it in. It's like calling in your spirit guides. They always come in when you invite them. Otherwise, they're just standing there waiting for you. They're like, why is this person not calling me in? Number 3, connection through nature. So powerful. I know for me, I live in a place where it's winter like 6 months of the year, and right now it's spring. I get so excited to go walk barefoot in my yard and work in my garden barehanded and just connect with the nature, connect with the ground, and allow that source energy to flow through us like the conduit we are. Your higher self is deeply connected to nature and the natural world. Walk barefoot on the earth, like I said. Feel the sun on your skin. The sun it transforms you. That energy that comes through the sun, it grows trees. It washes things away from us. It's cleansing. Nature grounds your energy and clears the static that you hold within you so you can tune in and better hear. So once you do that, sit outside, maybe meditate outside in a forest or in a field and just become one with everything around you. Number 4, following the energy of joy. So this is something we disconnect from very easily in today's world because there's a lot of fear floating around, a lot of propaganda, a lot of stress that we live with in our lives. So what we need to do is take time for balance and do things that light us up. Find joy in the little things. And I posted a bunch of videos on this, on finding joy in the little things, because it's so important. So your higher self communicates through feeling. That intuitive knowing, that clairestience, what lights you up, follow that. And yes, we need to balance it with work and life responsibilities. We can't just run away. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying follow things and balance it with things that you love to do. What gives you goosebumps and brings a smile to your face no matter what and for no reason? For me, it's music. For me, it's like I said, being outside. There's so many things. It's sharing wisdom. This is so powerful. And when you feel those goosebumps and you just smile for no reason and feel that gratitude pouring over you, that's your soul saying, yes, this is the way to your higher self. So try these out and see what shifts. You don't have to go anywhere to connect to your higher self. You just have to come home to you. I would love to hear what types of shifts you've chosen, the things that light you up. Feel free to comment below. Share this with somebody who you feel may benefit from it. Like, subscribe, drop a heart in the comments if it resonated, because I love to know if what I'm doing is touching, who it's helping, because honestly, it's all about lighting each other up and guiding each other home. Love you, soul fam. See you on the next video. Bye.